Okay, so for number 13, we're looking here for the different shapes. And so our first shape is going to be linear. Electron dense regions can be 1 or 2. And the bond angle in here is going to be 180 degrees. We probably need to put our font a little bit larger so you can see everything. So let's make it 16. Our next one we're going to call trigonal or triangular, planar. That's going to have 3 energy dense regions and bond angles of 120 degrees. Our next one will be the tetrahedral. It's going to have 4 energy dense regions. Bond angles here are exactly 109.5 degrees. Our next one is our trigonal bipyramidal. It's also going to have 5 energy dense regions. It's going to have 90-degree angles around all of the ends and 120 around the middle of the atom, what we call the equator. And this exception is going to be our phosphorus with 5 halogens. And our trigonal planar, we saw carbonates, but it's also going to be boron with 3 halogens. Our next one that was also an exception was octahedral. Octahedral had 6 energy dense regions. Those are all going to be 90 degrees, and this is going to be sulfur with 6 halogens. Our next one was trigonal, trigonal or triangular pyramidal. This is going to have 4 energy dense regions. One of them is going to be a lone pair. And with the trigonal that has the lone pair, we're going to have less than 109.5 for everybody else, and exactly 105 degrees for water molecules. And our last one is known as bent. Whoops, I put that in the wrong place, didn't I? Oops. Let's cut that out of there. That belongs down here. Bent. That's going to have 4 energy dense regions, and it's going to have 2 lone pairs. This one has 1 lone pair. And that's the one that's also going to be less than 109.5. And exactly 105 degrees for water. All right, that ends all of our different angles and shapes.